Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI, and I am here with all of my bags organized thanks to this beautiful organizer from NEARTOP. This beautiful acrylic organizer has everything that you need so that you can easily organize your bags at home. I was really sick of not only having a bunch of boxes stuffed into my drawer, but also always having to look every time to see what bag I was grabbing. Thanks to this organizer, I don't have to do that. Each of the slots are marked with the size bag that you'll be putting in them. And I really love that it is see-through. So I can see the colors, which are a quick reminder to me of the bags that I'm using. The bags easily come out of the holders, and when it's time to replace them, all you have to do is lift up the cover, put your new bags in, and you are all set. This organizer also has an option to hang the bag holder so you can put it up on the wall if that's easier for you. I like having mine in a drawer tucked away, so inside the drawer it fits awesome as well. Any little thing that I can get that will help me to be more organized at home gives me peace of mind, less anxiousness to my day, and so I love this organizer, and I'm sure that you would too. But that's just my point of view.